Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. And today I want to explain about my major project which is done in my bachelor's. And this video, why I'm doing this video means this video is mainly to FRT. FRT means future ready talent. Future ready talent. In that future ready talent, that project need to explain. And without any delay, we want to start our explanation. First I want to take an agenda. First thing is introduction to the project, and next project code explanation, and next results showing. I want to show how results are, and I want to show again deployment in Azure, and app services, and functionalities of this project, and conclusion. And first of all, I want to take a title of this project is a web application based on student and campus connectivity. uh, Mainly it is full stack development which is used in Python and Django web framework, and this is enables the users, and which is user means a client, that enables communicate between the students and campus. And what is the problem statement is, if we have taken any student, the students are going outside and searching for the applications and net in the browser. And I thought that we need to make a website for the all students, and we will make some connectivity between in the campus, and then we will easily communicate and easily develop. And this web application is for that. And next, project code explanation. I want to explain the code, and yeah, I put it in the Visual Studio here, and I want to explain in the local host first, and next I want to deploy in Azure. First of all, I want to open this project. Yeah, it's opening. I want to take it as another project which I was in previously. CGITS. It is a campus. Campus means a campus college. Christy Jyoti Institute of Technology and Science. It is a college name, and this is a project folder, and which is I opened in the Visual Studio right here. And I need to explain for this project. And I named it as CJDS main, and with CJDS means I already deployed in GitHub, and I again downloaded it. That's why it's showing like CJDS main. Yeah, this is a folder structure. First of all, look into the this is a Django web framework. Mainly it is developed in Django web framework. That's why it is that I want to need explain for the Django web framework. A framework which is used to allocate all resources which need to develop a web applications. Understood? I think I hope you understand. And this is Django web framework. And this is one type of framework. Django is one type of framework in the Python. So lot of frameworks are in Python. Flask is there, Django is there. Mainly application in Django is YouTube is a application in Django. And okay, I need to explain for this project. Okay, and this is first we need to look into the architecture of a Django project. It is MVT architecture. MVT means model, view, and template architecture. In this architecture, first we want to declare the models, and next we want to declare the views, and next we want to declare the templates. First, I need to explain about the models here. And this is a CGITS, and it is a project name, and it is non to the presentation logic and application logic. In this we need to explain about two: presentation and application. in the presentation logic, the main which is interface for the uh, project, means it is templates for the project. It is templates, right? HTML, this is only interface for the project, because front end. Templates means front end and somewhat decorations. It is for the only for presentation means it only presentation, how it looking, how it was looking, it is beautiful, or it is animated, or like that. It is presentation logic, means that the presentation logics which is done in applications, I need to explain about this application. And Django framework, it is also provides a SQL database. SQL database means SQLite. This is SQLite. SQLite means, yeah, this is in that we need to declare first models. Yeah, I said earlier model, MVT architecture, model view and template architecture. MVT means first model. I want to discuss about model, where it is model is declared in application level and project level. Project level means CJITS is a project level. This folder is called project level. This is means application level. This is application level. This is the project level. It is declared for the Django framework. Yeah, in this we have applications and project. Okay, in the application we have a presentation logic there, I said earlier, and this is a presentation, and which is HTML folders and CSS folder which I was declared. And next, this is the main application layer, because MVT architecture, first I need to explain about the models. Models means database. For the Django framework, models means database. This database is stored in the SQLite 3, which is defaultly in the framework. If you have a doubt about why I choose this web framework to develop this type of projects, means it is easy to understand, easy to explain, and easy to develop a project which is in a good Python developer. Means if you are a good at Python, I recommend this Django framework or Flask framework is very good to develop web applications, right? Okay. This is a SQLite 3, and it is always shows the database. Okay, databases which is inbuilt database. And first, I need to explain the flow of my project. First, if you have go to the command prompt and type python space manage.py run server and hit enter. Okay, oh sure, it is already there. It is path. Okay, cd space cjits enter. Okay, I go to the exact path. Okay, python manage.py run server and hit enter. Web framework, it defaultly creates a server. It creates a host and port. Here it is HTTP 127.0.0.1. In this local host, means it is a local host. In this local host, we are running our project. Okay, that's why frameworks are very good to develop a type of full stack projects. And I want to hit this. It is opens, but I want to open in the Google Chrome. Okay, it is localhost 800. It's showing like you need to. This is results of my project. Okay, it is a college, and I have somewhat explained about college. And this is I need to first I want to log in with the Google. And in the login with the Google, just after login with the Google, it is the interface for that website. And next in this website I included the learning modules means how you are want to learn, and how you need to learn this type of project. I include this full stack development and cybersecurity ethical hacking, which is the main domains in CS and IT. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, data science. It is approaches links, and which is a specified links and specified for the specific user. And yeah, this is some links, learning process. And next events, event videos means if any videos and we want to share for the user, and we need to share. And next uploads means any document we need to upload for the user, means a lecture. For suppose in college we have a lecture, lecture can upload their document to the students. Lecturer can upload a document, and the student can approach this document and study easily. Okay, first it is a subject name, and name of a faculty, or yeah, and title of an book means document means study purpose documents. And semester, which is semester, it is first semester, second semester, like that. And if you want to download, I can download. For suppose it is a duplicate document, and if you need to download this, yeah, you can download this like this. And it is upload. And I included the chart because it is the main purpose of using chart, means it is satisfies our title, because chatting is a communication, means communicate with a person. And if we suppose lecturer want to take a class, means a communication with the student. Lecturer want to communicate with the student. If we have if a lecturer want to study communicate with the first year student, then he create a room, means first year room, first year. And username is user, and hit enter. Then he go to the website. Web means chat. And then hi students, hit enter. Then students will also get this chat. And I want to explain about that. Localhost 8000. Yeah, chat. I want to go to the. It is. I opened another website, and if you join the room number, room name with the room name. Room name is first year room. Yeah, first year. And username means what is username here? It is a user. Username is user, and hit enter the room. Yeah, and he got that message. For suppose here students are there. Here the lecturer can have their hello, welcome, and send. And he get hello, welcome. Okay, hello, welcome, and I get in the room hello, welcome. Yeah, it is a communication between the students and the lecturer. Yeah. And if you want to get any notifications of a campus, because sometime we have results notifications are there, and exam notifications are there. And somewhat notifications means it is a special events are there to special persons. And if you want to make it a notify, and then easily we can notify here. And that's it. And if I want to explain about the notification process. And localhost admin is there. I give admin to the specified candidate who want to admin for this website. I hit enter. And admin, I already logged in, that's why it's showing. Otherwise it asks for the super user candidate. This is a Django administrator, which is defaultly built from the Django, and we need to we need to explain about this test app modules and the user authentication modules. First, suppose users are there here. Here the users is showing like users. I logged in users and authorized users, because Google users means, okay, you social users is this students dot cjs. It's social users. It is from the Google. I logged in with the Google main. Earlier I logged in with the Google. This is Google, okay, and okay, this is documents and links, messages, notify, rooms, which is explained earlier. Okay, this model dot py is there, right? This model dot py reflects here. Okay, this model dot py, it is a room class called room, and we have a room. Okay, I named it rooms, but it is a room and it is connected to it. Okay, messages here, messages here. Okay, and documents here. Okay, basically model.py creates the backend here, and which is present in the admin. Okay, models are clearly created. These models are backend first. Okay, next models, and these models are views. Okay, next I want to explain about the views. Views are very simple, and in which page we want to we want to present which HTML page, means which presentation. Views are commonly views are declared like that. A view function can declare that which type of HTML page we want to redirect, which type of presentation we want to user want to take place. This is view. Okay, views are first I want to clear login. I want to log in. This is login.html, which redirects to the templates. Okay, first I want to explain the MVT architecture, means models I want to explain, and next views are explained, and that views are redirected to the templates, means login.html means login.html. Yeah, here. Okay, and this is a views, and I explain if we want any conditions. For suppose I want this type of user in my website, I want that type of user in my website. If we want to declare like that, we want to declare some of the conditions here in the views only. Views can declare that who want to use your website, or you are not you want to use your website. And first of all, MVT is cleared. Okay, and I hope MVT is cleared, and I want to explain about this flow of this project. Okay, first this we are I earlierly done this python.manage.py run server, and when I run this, what it is means Python, which I used for the project, because Django project is used from the Python only, not for the other projects. It is not used by the Java projects. It not used for the C and C++ projects, not used for any other. It is only from the Python programming language only. Okay, Python. I want run this file. Okay, run this file means manage.py. I am saying like that, Python manage.py, and run server means I want to run server. I want run server from the locally, not for the public. It is local. When I hit enter, it automatically redirects to the manage.py, and it runs its code. Okay, import OS and import systems. OS means operating system and systems, and define main function it defines, and OS dot environmental it is its code. It's already inbuilt code as there, and it is shows like that, and it goes to the Django dot settings module here. Django dot settings module, which is cjds dot settings. Cjds dot settings means cjds here, and settings it is. Okay, this is a settings for my project. Basically, which is settings means if you want any allowance from other websites, and if you want take a Google, for suppose I want to log in with the Google, and then I want to allow from that, and I need to place here, and we can use for like that. Okay, first of all, and it runs settings.py. In the settings.py it have like this. Okay, import OS and base directories. Base directory means for this project it is which files are needed to this project, and this is secret key, and this is I want to. Okay, no problem, but okay, debug is equal to allowed hosts. I use it for this. After deployment I use this cjds.azurewebsites.net. I use this web service. Okay, and I use also localhost. I am currently running in the localhost, means I am using the localhost. CSRF tokens means server side scripting token. I need not explain more about this, of course. Installed apps. Installed apps means I use what type of apps I use to this admin app. Admin means which I use, and which I shown earlier. Authentication. Authentication means authentication is context types. Context, number of sessions are there, number of messages, and the number of admin documents are there. And static files. Static file means I want to explain about static files. Here in the Django framework, static file means it is static files, which is CSS files, and which is static, which is creates a static web pages for you. Okay, that's called static files. And I registered my app in here. I installed the apps, and I registered this app after deployment. After creating my application, I registered this app here. And social Django means I use social Django to log in with the Google. Okay, that's it is a middleware, and it runs here. Also, I run this manage.py and reflect here in it checks any error in this setting.py, and any type of errors are here or not, it checks. And next it executes all this file lines. I use 160 lines here. All lines are executed. Then it shifted to the URLs. It shifted to the URLs. URLs means /admin /login. There's no URL, all those URLs. /admins are there. Okay, it select that. Okay, it always checks that is that registered or not, it is concluded or not. And this mainly declaring for the URLs means we avoid the server-side scripting in a security model. We basically have a lot of security issues in web applications in current scenarios. These URLs are restricted for the some of the security issues, like that. We basically Django restrict the server-side scripting XSS type of security issue mainly. It is a very good advantages for the Django web framework. And it is URL pattern. Admin can go to the admin, and login can go to the login page. Views.login, it goes to the views.login. Where I use it for the views.login is here. First I explained here views.login, and go to the login.html, login.html here. Where it is? Here it is, login.html. In the templates, templates are here. First we need to register the templates for the settings, and if any time concerns I will explain in the next video, and it is mainly for the future ready talent video. That's why I am not explaining very briefly. I am currently explaining very light way. And next, urls.py. urls.py, in this urls are declared, and it registered with the views. Views means we know that views can control the web application which you want to need to explain about how we are want to declare this web front end and back ends. It controls that. Okay, views or controls that. Okay, next, and URLs are completed, and next VSGI files are very rare files which is used for the very rare cases. It is used any type of errors are there, it can shows error. If not errors are there, it is not. Init, that means it is initializing this. Any type of initialization we want to take in our web application, it initialize in this. I know I don't need any initialization here, that's why I not used. And okay, I want to run it in real time. Okay, it is completely done here. I hope you understand very well. And I want to, this is hosting in just local host, means I am running in my local computer. If I want to take this into internet, I need a server. I need a server, and I need a what it means. I need a database, and I need a every time power, means I want to consumes lot of electricity, right? I want to take all these things, and if I want to publish this, I need a domain also. These are very cost manner, and very expensive, and if any failure, we are responsible for that only. I am using this website to the develop this website hosted in Azure. Azure is a cloud which provides all resources to the developer who develops a web application or a project or a what it may be, or a IT sector, in the IT sector, what it may be. It gives due to the server, it gives a server, and it gives a storage, and it gives a resource allocator, and all things it gives. Okay, a lot of clouds are there outside, and Azure is a best way to develop a project and implement it. I choose Azure means it is easy to use and easy to have easy to manage our projects in real time. Okay, and this project are first want to take to the GitHub. When we want to go to the GitHub, why we want to go to the GitHub means GitHub is a website, and means GitHub is an interface between the projects, means if you want to develop a project instantly, GitHub is the best option to develop projects, and to develop and manage your projects. Okay, this application need to go to the GitHub. After completion of pushing to the GitHub, next we want to take that project at a time to the Azure. That is the process. If you are not able to get to the Azure, means why? Because we are using GitHub. It always at a time we can run multiple projects in at a time. For suppose I use this project, okay, and I push it into the GitHub, and next I want to take another project. Now I want to push into the GitHub, and I want to develop multiple projects, and want to deploy any projects, and it gives a workflow it gives an workflow uh, to your project and manage easily to your projects. Okay, and I deployed to my GitHub account here, GitHub which is my GitHub account, and uh, it is my projects which is previously done in my previously I done. This is my project which I shown here, and I deployed in here, and I deployed after deployment I have workflow. Workflow means your project workflow, how it is working, like that. I deployed into the Azure already, and I need not to explain about all those things, and I want to explain how how I was deployed. I want to open my account here. It is my account which is given by the GitHub only. Means it GitHub student developer pack it gives, and when you look into the GitHub student developer pack, it enables you to use the services of Azure somewhat using it gives, and it gives account like that. And this is my project which I was deployed. I used this project for the what is it is means it is a web app services. It is a web app services which I used. Why I used web app means it is not a just not a static web pages, means which is not it is just a static web pages. It is a framework web page. That's why I used this web app services in Azure. When I taking for that, I need to increment or decrement about users, and if you want to take any lot of resources to be used, and in here only. Okay, first of all I pushed here, and I am sorry I am unable to explain this how I pushed, and after pushing this I explained here. I go through the some of the steps in the Azure Web App Services. I linked my project to the Azure, and I completed here with the properties which I after deploying it gives an properties. It is a web app, and name is SEJ. It is my how I was, and deployment logs are when you are going to deployment logs, and will show that. Okay, and it is my domain, and it is a custom domain. If I want to add a custom domain, then we can add. This is a network which I previously added. It is my virtual IP address. Oh, sorry. Which is here is the IP address of mine, and it shows. And this is I use the basic plan, which is used for this, and plan type app services plan is know that app services plan is this is app services plan name. And I hope this is very understandable. I think it is very understandable. Sorry for that. How I'm not explaining how we are pushed to the Azure and GitHub. Next, I want to look at into the somewhat results in my I want to explain about somewhat results in my web application here. I need to run this server first and open in any window here. Localhost 1000. This is first of all, this is a interface of my project, and next go to the admin and enter. and we have a lot of things here. Here I want here we can add our videos, okay, that are reflected in our front end. Okay, sorry, I don't have any videos in my system, that's why I'm unable to push videos. And these are rooms. Rooms are very clear when we are go to the um, messages tab we have here, and it shows very everything in with user do. Okay, whenever user approaches to this website, then that user can do anything in our website, because we are allocated some of the resources to the user, that in that resource can user can use, and everything can be recorded here. Okay, in that messages, how what are the messages can done by the user, it can shows that like that. This is security, it is not going to the security issue, because I am giving the super user to that only which I want to, okay, which I want to give trust. Means lecturers can give trust, but they are not open this type of messages, they're not done like that. Okay, if I want to share any links, here add links, and go to the links and paste that links in. Okay, hit to save. Okay, I want to give some of the links here, and hit save. Then links are added. If I want to conclude this as a link added or not added, then I want to go to the learn, and learn means learn here, and go to this. Previously I have some of the links here, and I have added this true, then it is reflected here. Okay, then next okay, messages and links are there, and if we want to upload any document, can add our document. I adding my document, some other document here. Okay, hit save, and it added the document. Okay, it added this document here. Enter, and he added the document means uploads here. I added this document. Okay, and next okay, it is done by the results, so which is done by the results, and I want to conclude it here. And thanks for watching, and thanks for everything for the project, and which is thanks for FRT and giving this type of platform to develop these projects, and thanks for Azure and Microsoft, and thanks for team which I met, and thanks for everything, and thanks for watching.